Alright, for this video I'm going to show you how to use the mirror tool. The mirror tool is located right here in your sketch mode. Basically you're going to be creating a mirrored copy of a sketch across an axis. So I'm going to click on the mirror tool. You're going to first have to select what it is you want to mirror. So I'm going to want to mirror everything. Then I'm going to click on the mirror line. So I'm going to mirror it across here, so it's going to basically reflect over here. Now once I do that, you need to make sure you hit apply, don't hit done, otherwise it will not work. So when I hit apply, you can see that my shape is there, and then I can hit done. Now you can also do it across part of the object that is that you don't actually have. So if I want to create another line here and use that as a mirror line, I can do that, and that's going to leave a gap here. So when I click on mirror, I say, hey, I want to mirror this object, but my mirror line's now over here. You can kind of see how that's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so it's going to leave a gap there, and when you're done, you can always delete lines and then change your object from there.